Hello, my beautiful viewers. My name is Judith Akinyi in Judith Down the Villages. Today, I want to continue showing you how I'm continuing in my house. I'm moving on step by step. My house is not complete and I'm inside the house. I've done a video just showing you how I started and how I've moved on step by step. So this is a continuation of showing you how I'm still moving on. I'm doing my bathroom right now because I need that bathroom. I've been using my pit latrine, but I need at least a bathroom in the house. I have 3 bathrooms. So I have one which it's a smaller bathroom. So I thought of doing the smaller bathroom first so that I can use it when I'm inside the house. So let's go and I show you what I've done to my bathroom. This is the bathroom that I'm now doing. It's very small. It's also not complete. And as you can see, I've done the tiles on the floor. That's the tiles on the floor. I've also done the tiles on the walls. That's the tiles on the walls. That's how it looks like at the moment. I'll soon be doing the doors. The door is also not there. I'll have to go and buy a door and fix in this bathroom. Already I have a cistern. It's somewhere here. I have a cistern that the fundi is going, the plumber that is, the plumber is going to fit when he comes. He will fit the cistern plus the washing hand basin will be fixed in this bathroom. So this is what I'm doing now. And sooner or later, I'm going to have a washroom, at least that I can use in the house. The ceiling is still not done. The ceiling is still not done. So this is what I'm telling you step by step. And this is the step that I've taken because I want to complete this bathroom so that, or rather our washroom, so that I can use it inside the house. Meanwhile, I also want to talk about how you can plan for your house. You see, this house is not complete. This house is not complete. You can see the flooring, the tiles are still not there. The walls are not painted. The doors are not there. But when I was doing this house, I planned for it. Especially when you are building a house, make sure that you are always around so that you can see what you like and what you don't like. Like this place, this is my dining, but I'm using it as my living room at the moment. And there was a wall between here. There was a wall between here, which I brought down. When the walls were being taken up, I decided to bring it down because there was something that I would want to do between the dining and the kitchen side. I wanted to put like a cupboard between somewhere here. There's going to be like a cupboard, but it will leave an hash between, and something like a glass will go somewhere here and this other side. Then it will just leave a hash somewhere here between the kitchen and the dining. Then in the kitchen, I also removed, there was a pantry and I removed the pantry. This is my kitchen at the moment, don't you worry. I also removed the pantry because I found that when the house was going up, the kitchen was very small and I needed at least a bit larger kitchen. So I removed the pantry and let the kitchen to be open. I did that because where we are, I'll do another kitchen outside. The kitchen will be where we can use maybe charcoal and maybe firewood if you want to use firewood. I'm in the rural areas, but this is a place where we'll just maybe put a stove somewhere and a fridge and put cupboards around the kitchen. So I removed the pantry so that I can have enough space in the kitchen. Another thing, when you're doing your electrical, always think of the sockets. The houses where you'll find sockets are very few, and then you'll start using extension for the sockets. So think of what you'll be using in your kitchen, or if it is in the sitting room, where you'll put your, how many sockets do you want in a room, so that whatever you'll be using, you will not be using extensions in any of the rooms. So I knew what I wanted, what's going to be here. Somewhere here I will put my stove. Think of where you'll put your stove early. And then I will put my refrigerator somewhere here. Okay. In the dining, I also have a socket. That chair has blocked one of the sockets. And then there is this one for lighting. It's a 4-gang socket. Then let me just go to the living room. What will be the living room at the moment? It's like my store. At the moment, it's like my store. My entertainment area is going to be somewhere here. Think about where your entertainment area is going to be earlier. I always imagine where I'm going to put my seats, where I'm going to put my entertainment area, where the sockets are. Like in this room, I have a socket somewhere there. And there is also another socket. I don't know whether there is a socket here. No, it's outside. Outside the veranda, there is another socket. And there is another socket somewhere there. And these ones are just for lighting the room. And in every room, there are sockets. I lived in a house once where in the bedrooms there were no sockets. People sometimes forget to put sockets in the bedroom. This is going to be my grandkids' bedroom, and there is a socket somewhere there. Things are not done. It's not complete, but think of sockets and other lighting that you'd like to do. I also made a provision for a solar. I'm going to have a solar system because you know in Kenya, blackouts are so usual, and I made a provision of solar. And the solar, I'm going to use, like you can see the green pipes somewhere there. Those green pipes, they're for water, and they're the ones that are going to provide the solar water in the house. We live in an area where it's very sunny, and it's also going to help so that I don't use a lot of electricity. Okay, that's just a window. It's very large. So my viewers, that is how I'm continuing step by step. I'm just going slowly. After I finish the bathroom, I'll think of what to do next. Continue being with me so that you can see how I'm moving on with my house step by step. I kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing, and let's meet on my next video.